or welcome back to Kameroo, a channel where we'll explore art. So today we are going to create a super easy and fun canvas painting. So brace yourself up to not get bored during your summer vacations. With that note, let's get started. Here I have taken a square canvas and prepared it by applying gesso. To create the background, I went with black and turquoise acrylic paints. Why these? You'll get to know till the end. Stay tuned. Our today's main element is going to be a leaf. Take a dried or fresh leaf and paint it with white acrylic paint. Press the leaf on the canvas where you need the print and voila! Your leaf print is ready. Here I am creating a diagonal pattern. After your pattern is ready, apply a wash of blue which contains a lot of water to get the similar effect as mine. And this is how our first layer will look like. After it is dried completely, move towards the second one. Follow the same steps as earlier and start creating leaf prints above the first layer. You can use your fingers or a sponge to press the leaf for better impressions. After it is done, adding few finishing touch-ups and sprinkling dots on the canvas using paintbrush. Now, to give a little magical effect and to add more colors, I am applying a single stroke of teal blue and pink acrylic paints which contains a lot of water on the leaves. Then again, a wash of blue on the whole canvas and our second layer is ready. Not bad. Repeat the same tips and tricks for the last and final layer. Sprinkle dots on the surface. Don't forget a little finishing. And on this, instead of applying wash of blue on whole canvas, apply it just near the border of leaves to create shadows. And ta-da! Our super easy canvas painting using leaves is ready. This was so fun and therapeutic. Do give it a try in your summer vacations. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you all loved it. Bye bye.